Meteors, meteorites, asteroids, and comets. An asteroid is any rock that is traveling through space. These can vary in size from small pebbles to dwarf planets. The largest asteroid is Ceres, which is over 940 kilometers in diameter. When an asteroid is heading towards a planet's surface and begins to burn in the atmosphere, it is known as a meteor. Thousands of meteors enter the atmosphere every year. However, most of these are incredibly small and burn up before they reach the ground. Occasionally, a meteor will begin to burn up in the atmosphere and then suddenly blow up. This is caused by the intense stresses going on within the rock due to friction and the possibility of ice within the rock turning into steam and creating a huge source of pressure. Most meteors burn up in the atmosphere, but some make it to the surface, although at a much smaller size than they originally were. These are then referred to as meteorites and can be found all over the planet. Most asteroids are found in an area between Jupiter and Mars, known as the asteroid belt. Normally, these asteroids would combine together to either form a planet or just one large asteroid. This is how the Earth was formed. However, the gravitational battle between Jupiter and Sun prevents this from happening, and the asteroids stay their current size. Most asteroids have very strange shapes, others are just a collection of dirt and small asteroids loosely held together by gravity. It takes an especially large asteroid for it to start becoming round in shape. Comets can be seen from Earth for a small portion of their orbit. Generally, these comets have highly eccentric orbits, which means their distance to Sun varies largely throughout the course of one orbit. Comets' orbits can take anywhere from a few dozen years to hundreds of years, spending most of their time in the Kuiper belt. The Kuiper belt is similar to the asteroid belt, but much farther away. It exists outside of the orbit of Neptune and harbors many icy rocks, including Pluto. Comets are mostly ice and rock. As they speed towards the Sun, they begin to heat up. The ice begins to turn into steam and is ejected from the comet. This steam then cools down in the vacuum of space and crystallizes behind the comet, which in turn reflects sunlight towards the Earth, making the comet appear to have a large tail.